Eric here with One House Review. All right, today we're in Anoka, Minnesota, and I'm in a townhouse. It's 4 bedrooms, 310,000, just under 2,000 square feet. Welcome back. Let's take a look and see what this house has to offer. All right, starting at the main entrance, guys. Townhouse again. I really like what's going on up here too. Little alcove. All right, here's the main living area. Nice high ceilings here. Like the vinyl planking, looks newer. Carpet's in good shape so far. It's a galley kitchen. That little shelving area back there is actually the laundry room. I guess you could use it for pantry storage as well. This room, vaulted ceiling. Nice walkout to a deck. It's actually a double walkout. Bonus. For townhouses, it's a little bit larger sized. So before we go back here, I'm actually going to take you upstairs because it's a 3 level. So let's head upstairs first. Sure, if you guys haven't, please subscribe, like, and share. So there's a bathroom up here. Just a 3/4. There's 3 bedrooms on this top level. Carpet's in good shape up here too. Rooms aren't bad size. This one's a little smaller. Our primary bedroom's over here. So what's cool here is the walk-in closet is actually on the other side of the bathroom, which is kind of nice. I like it when it's like this. This is actually going to raise the score a little bit. Bathroom this direction. Whirlpool tub. Getting some lights on the way down here, guys. And the last one. All right, let's go through the kitchen, laundry area, and see what's in the downstairs. So for 310,000, how does this house rank in your area? Get the appliances about a C. At least it has a dishwasher. Some of these don't. Oh, the association here is only $222 a month, which isn't bad. I'm not sure what that all includes. A little half bath for the main floor. This is just a closet. Little coat closet. Garage entrance is right there. Let's go down. All right, you come down to a smaller family room with an egress, little wet bar. How's it going? This would be the 4th bedroom down here. This is the closet. It's also shared with the sump pump. Not the end of the world. Egress window. Very good, very nice. Carpet's not quite as good as the upstairs was. It's still not in bad shape. Furnace doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Water heater somewhere in the middle of its life. Bathroom down here. Well, and that looks like our walkthrough is complete. I'll see you at the scoring portion. Well, this will conclude our walkthrough for the Anoka townhouse today. All in all, it's in pretty good shape. I like some of the amenities. Price at $310,000. It's pretty affordable for a lot of people anyway. I'm going to give this one a 7.9. And that's a wrap. See you at the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Catch you later.